When it comes to new construction, I always make sure my clients have a solid plan A and a solid plan B, just in case. We're on a flex schedule, so I walk them through every step to ensure that they have a place to live as long as it will take for their new home to be complete. Sometimes this means being strategic with things like storage units. Think about packing those seasonal items, clothing in the front for easy access. Trust me, I've helped many families move from their current home to their new one. And while the unknown can be stressful, we can get creative and stay patient. One of my favorite stories involves a family with 4 young children. We had everything lined up perfectly: dates, moving plans, the works. But as luck would have it, the builder got behind and suddenly our well-oiled plan was out the window. On to plan B. This meant picking up and packing up their home and temporarily moving in with family. When I saw my client during this time, he was a bit wired, to say the least. He showed up in stretchy pants, explaining that stress eating was his coping mechanism. I couldn't help but laugh. It was one of those moments where the stress was real, but so was the humor. We laughed together, and despite the chaos, he later told me that even with the hiccups, he would do it all over again because he was so happy with the outcome. The thing is that homes and people, they just match. It's never just about 4 walls. It's about lifestyle, it's about the community and the comfort that those walls provide. Sure, the process might be unpredictable, but when you finally settle into the home that feels right, it's worth the stretchy pants, stress eating moments. I am Janet Marroquin with Coldwell Banker Realty, and my website is janetsellshomesInutah.com.